What's up, guys? If you want to join my free Discord, link in description. If you enjoy this video, like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how I lost, but with the correct bias. So today I got mentally raped by the market. Um, yeah, basically, yeah. My mind's fried right now. Yeah. Wow, that was a long. So basically, what we do, we open up, right? I'm bearish and bullish here. We come down, take London and Asia low, so I make become more bullish. We start to respect it on the 15-minute, so I start to become even more bullish. Never break structure to the downside on the 15-minute, just a clean liquidity sweep to the upside. So, then you start to zoom in and like, okay, I'm watching, I'm looking at this as like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, which is exactly what it was. So I want to see this 4-minute get inversed, right? Because like that's when you're going to have the most probable entries. So that 4-minute, once the 4-minute gets inversed, I start to zoom in more and I see we're just selling off and we're starting to respect these things. And I don't think my first trade was right there, was it? It's going to look crazy, but it's just because I was adding cons. So my first entry was with 3 cons right here, right? And then I added one final con up there. So my fill gets moved to like here. Right, and my first stop was here. So if my first stop if I never got rid of my first stop, I would have won the trade overall. But when I added, I moved my stop to here, I think. Yeah. So when I added my con on that expansion up, I basically pulled my stop to break even, and then we blast through that, right? But necessarily didn't invalidate my bias, just kind of retraced a little bit more. So when we start to buy back up, I'm still very confident where we're gonna go. So I add another position to go long once we get this 1-minute change in the state to the upside. Right, we get this 1-minute change in the state to the upside after taking this liquidity over here. So my first trade was a loss, right? And not a bad loss at all. We come in, take this liquidity, rebalance to this 4-minute, and buy up out of this 4-minute while inversing this right here. And as you see, we come up, sell all the way back down. I guess I could have better fills. I guess if my fills were in discount, I probably would not have ever got stopped out, I suppose. But, it happens. So then this trade gets stopped out at break even trade right here. Then now once we come back here, I realize that like I didn't necessarily invalidate my bias yet. We're still very bullish. I add my next position right here. Once we buy out of this range, I just was really wanting to see some continuation. Um, we get the continuation and we take the data high. I probably should have taken at least one con off, but once we took data high, I wanted to be break even because I just wanted to see us push. We're really 11 points away. We should keep moving. And as you see, we obviously don't keep moving, and causes me, like, once we buy out of this fair value gap, I add another con. I put my stop literally at like here, I think. Yeah. And I get stopped out at break even, and then we run, and it's annoying. Like, am I kind of annoyed right now? Yeah, very very annoyed because like it's such a clear bias, right? Like this is the easiest bias in the fucking world. I just like bad entries maybe. Entries could have been a little better maybe if I wait for a discount on my entries. But like these entries like usually are more fine because like I understand we're coming back to discount, but I'm not full confidence yet. So I wait for a 15-second confirmation. Because once we get like that confirmation, I'm super, super, super confident that we're gonna go higher. There's no reason for us to sit around here and chop like a fucking idiot and then go higher. Like it's the clearest buy model ever. I guess like what I can learn is maybe like if my entry is gonna be like at this change in the state on the 15-second, keep my stop at the low. But that's like 66 points. That's just too big of a stop. I don't want that big of a stop. Chop, chop, chop. Um, yeah, it happens. It is what it is. I'm not that mad. I'm annoyed, but I'm not mad. Still a W day. Followed my rules of not trading until 9:40. Like that's a W in itself. Just price action kind of chopped me up today. Clear draw, clear everything. I just got chopped up, and that's literally what it comes down to. And that's what it is. It's the truth. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Technical analysis is really, really sharp right now. I'm feeling really good. Like these losses don't really affect me. They annoy me, but they don't affect me in a negative way. Still very confident overall. If you want to join my Discord, link in the description. I think there's a lot of great knowledge there. It's a great community. my analysis is really good, as you guys can see. Just a little sharpen the entries a little bit, fix a couple things with the entries. We'll do some back testing this weekend. And yeah, very happy overall. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. God bless.